Well, with that, big breaking news which is coming in. First image of Jasir Bilal Wani is now coming to light. Times Now has managed to access. Remember, he's a co-conspirator in the Delhi blast case, and I arrested him yesterday. As per the agency, he provided technical support to suicide bomber Dr. Umar Nabi, whom you just heard right now. This man was helping Umar carry out terrorist attacks by modifying drones and attempting to make rockets. Let me go across to Priyank Tripathi, who's joining us with the very latest. Priyank, here on Times Now, you were the first one yesterday to break the story that another arrest has been made. This time around, it is Jasir Bilal. But what's very, very shocking in this entire module as it unravels is not just doctors, they were educated people, they were graduates, and I believe Jasir himself was a BCom student who was trying to modify drones and making rockets. It's not just a Jaish terror attack, it's a high-tech Jaish terror attack that they were planning.
Yes, Medha. First of all, we'll keep on the visuals of the latest development which is coming out from the Patiala House Court, where an email purportedly sent from a group which says that they are from the Jaish-e-Mohammed had given threat to 5 of the court premises here in the national capital. In the pictures of Jasir, you can see that Jasir had been the one who was given this task by Dr. Adil to make drones, to make modified drones so that the drones can be used and ID. Similar kind of pattern of the attack which we have seen on the Gaza Strip from the Hamas side, where they had also used improvised explosive device embedded drone towards the Israeli territory. So this is certainly something big which the NIA team has also disclosed. And you rightly stated that Jasir was also pursuing BCom from Jammu and Kashmir. He was neighbor of Dr. Adil, and during the period of time, Dr. Adil also gave him instruction that he was tasked to make these IDs, the improvised explosive device embedded with these drones. But the security has been heightened. We'll be showing you the kind of deployment which has increased outside the court premises, where the rapid action force has also been deployed by the Delhi police so that any kind of untoward movement of any suspected individual can also be blocked. You can see hundreds of personnel from the RAF have also been deployed here so that the security measure can be tightened up further after the threat email which has been received by the agencies here in India. In a short while from now, what we are expecting that Jasir alias Javed will be brought here at the court premises where he is supposed to be produced. Yesterday, the accused who was produced before the court has been sent to 10 days of police remand for the National Investigation Agency. But the kind of revelation these suspects have been doing, the kind of revelation regarding the money, 26 lakh rupee, which was which was there for this task, the kind of ammunition which was being procured by them, and the kind of explosive material which they had also procured, and the drone which they about to be procured by these individuals for creating a swarm kind of drone attack at the 6 major cities here in India is certainly a big development which is happening in this case. Yesterday, Home Minister Amit Shah in his speech has also stated that every possibility of effort will be done by the security forces so that the perpetrators can be booked to the task. He had also said that Patal se bhi nikal ke layenge if the suspects are there who are involved in these kind of attack which has happened here in India, and which also led to an unintentional blast which happened at the Nogam police station, where most of our security personnel have lost their life. So while the security is still increasing, Mohan will show you more deployment coming to the Patiala House Court. Similar kind of deployment has also been seen in the other courts like Saket, Rohini, Tees Azadi, as well as Kadka Duma Court, where the security officials have enhanced the security, while the suspect, Jasir, who was neighbor of Dr. Adil, has been arrested, who will be produced here at Patiala House Court in a short while from now. Amidst that, the tension still remains there, but what we have got to know through sources that nothing and nothing suspicious has been found.
Nothing suspicious has been found. Minute by minute updates Priyank Tripathi is getting for us from the Patiala House Court, where Jasir is going to be produced very, very shortly. But important for us to bring together the entire Jaish module as it is slowly unraveling. Jasir, of course, was linked to the doctor's module. Of the doctor's module, the mastermind was none other than Dr.